In this video, I'm going to show you how using the split strategy works in the middle and senior school. So we understand that partitioning a number and understanding its place value, so it's hundreds, tens and ones, for example, when we're adding two 3-digit numbers, it's important for students to be able to break apart that number and conceptually understand the hundreds, tens and ones place. So teaching your child to partition both numbers into their hundreds, tens and ones. We then further use our process of adding our hundreds together. So we've got 600 and 200, which partitions to 800. We can then visually see that by adding the 20 and the 80 together, we end up with 100. And further going and adding the fours, the ones units together, we get 8. So students understanding that splitting a number up and adding up its place value can make it easier. So we have 800 and 100 to 900 and 8 more.